Good morning everyone. Welcome you all on our e-learning platform of GS College of Commerce Wardha, and today I will give you the lecture regarding business communication and management for BCom third sem. In earlier lectures we have seen the details regarding MS Word and what is the role of MS Word in business communication. It has got a lot of importance in the business work. When you are dealing with your suppliers, when the business ones are dealing with the different persons related to their business organization, then how the MS Word means the role of MS Word is important. All the data information like the letters, emails, okay, and the other work which when you have to pass on the information to the other business owners, at that time MS Word plays a important role. All that we have seen in our last lecture. And today we will see about MS Excel. What is MS Excel? Microsoft Excel. Again it is an application. Okay, this is also known as a spreadsheet. Now what is spreadsheet? Spreadsheet includes, it is a group of values and other data which is compiled in the form of rows and columns. If you have seen the page of MS Excel, then you will find there are different small columns and rows. Okay, now it is a type of document. It is an application which is mainly used for the calculation purpose. If you have to make large calculations, there are different formulas which are available in the MS Excel. With the help of that you can perform the mathematical calculations, you can prepare different kinds of charts also, you can make your budgets related to your accounts, so that it makes your work very easy. Okay, when you put your data, if you enter your data in MS Excel, it gives you the reports. Okay, if you put some formulas, plus, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, all the mathematical calculations are done in MS Excel. And it is the another name of MS Excel is spreadsheet itself, spreadsheet worksheet also. So what is the role of MS Excel in business communication? Now MS Excel provides spreadsheets. Okay, the work of MS Excel starts with spreadsheet, or it is also known as spreadsheet. So spreadsheet is a group of values and other data which is organized in the form of rows and columns. There are different rows and columns like this. If you open the MS Excel, you will find that different kinds of sales, and so these are the rows and columns. These are the rows and different columns. Okay, this consists of, so MS Word consists of different spreadsheets, and these spreadsheets are having different rows and columns. You can perform the calculations, mathematical calculations in the MS Excel. So mathematical calculations can be performed quickly with the help of MS Excel. Now why your calculations can be performed quickly? Because there are different formulas, different calculative measures which are available in MS Excel, and with the help of this formulas, mathematical calculations can be performed quickly. Now graphing. It has the ability to produce different kinds of charts. Now these charts are pie charts, scatter chart, line chart, pie chart, different kinds of chart, bar chart you can prepare in MS Excel. And all the details regarding the charts, the example of this, okay, that all things are provided to you in your last study note number 7 of business economics, BCM, Business Communication and Management, covers the unit number 4, and all the details regarding MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint is there in your study note. Study note BCM study note number 7 consists of all these details. So if you go through with that, you will find the data is included in your study material, so that you can read your notes and it is easy for you to refer as per the syllabus. So you can make different kinds of charts. What are these charts? Pie chart, line chart, bar chart, okay, scatter chart, every kind of charts, means those forms are available. You can convert your data into that charts. So presentation will be there in the in chart form, so that all the information, all the data which you have entered in MS Excel, you can see with the help of these charts. Okay, so graphing, it is called graphing. Then inventory tracking. In the business, the role of inventory. Inventory means the raw material which a businessman is having, and if he want to track his inventory, then how he will track? So MS Excel helps him to track the inventory. It means how it helps to track him. It provides, it gives him the details regarding what is the remaining inventory is there in the organization or is there in the production unit. So he can have, means the producer can see the details regarding the inventory. He can track the inventory with the help of MS Excel. Then calculate calendars and schedules. So everything which is included in MS Excel, these are the different facilities which are available in the Excel, and a businessman, he can take the help of all these, he can take the advantages of these simple forms, and he can take the help of these calendars and schedules to prepare meeting, to make the schedules, or it is easy to carry on his daily activities. Now goal planning worksheets are also there. He can prepare, because every businessman have to achieve its goals. So for achieving these goals, goal planning worksheets are there in MS Excel, and the businessman can utilize these worksheets, okay, to gain or to perform, to achieve the goals of business. It is the duty, rather the managers or the top level persons in the management, they can refer the goal planning worksheets, so that it helps them to achieve their goals, to set target, to achieve the set target and move on in the business. So project management charts, checklists, task lists, etc., which are itself in the MS Excel, and it provides important information. Okay, if you compile your data in these forms, in this application, what is this application? MS Excel. And with the help of this MS Excel application, the checklists or the task list which are included in MS Excel, so that the businessman, the manager, he can visualize his business updates in MS Excel. Okay, so all accounting work. Now what is this accounting work? The account department relate all the budget, all the daily requirement of the cash, then what is the stationery requirement, each and everything you can compile in that. So all accounting work, that is budget plan, forecast, expenses tracking, financial reports, all things can be prepared in MS Excel. So it gives you, it has a large scope. So MS Excel, in MS Word, what is possible with MS Word? The data can be typed, the large volume of data can be typed in, or it can be kept in MS Word files. But if a businessman want to prepare different charts, if he want to make mathematical calculations, okay, if he want to have a tracking of his inventory, then in that case MS Excel is helpful from him, not the other application. So the businessmen generally they are using MS Excel application for all these works. For what? They are, because MS Excel itself has spreadsheets, and that spreadsheets includes organized in rows and columns. So mathematical calculations, different kinds of charts can be prepared, inventory can be tracked with the help of MS Excel. Then there is inbuilt calendars and schedules in MS Excel. Okay, so the businessman can refer those calendars and schedules, and accordingly they can arrange their meetings, they can arrange their daily updates with the help of MS Excel. Goal planning worksheets are also there. Okay, every businessman has set targets, they have to achieve their targets, they have their certain goals to achieve. So MS Excel help them into large Excel to achieve all these. So project management charts, checklists, track lists, etc. are there. Then all the accounting work is there, which is helpful. So MS Excel is the best option available for the businessman in their business communication. Thank you.